So hey guys, and this is the all-new OnePlus 10R. This OnePlus is for those who don't want to spend that much and still want max-out specifications, performance and Oxygen OS. Yeah, OnePlus is going all out in terms of the specifications, and it is sort of a gaming-centric device, causes high touch sampling rate, super fast charging and spatial silicon. So the OnePlus Ace comes in this red box, and there are a few colors: Arctic Glow Green and Sierra Black, and this one in the box is Black One, which is something most would pick. So as in the box we have a 150 watts power brick, and OnePlus is brand who is not following Samsung and Apple's money-making move, ditching the charger in the name of environment. Now the device itself has so many design changes we never saw in a OnePlus. It is the first time OnePlus is using a center hole punch selfie shooter plastic two-tone finish. And OnePlus logo is on the bottom right. This 6.7-inch display has 120 Hz high refresh rate, 720 Hz touch sampling rate and HDR10+ support. The Ace uses sort of boxy finish, and shocking part is alert slider is gone here. I was not expecting OnePlus to ditch it in such main device. The rear design looks cool as S21 Lite module containing triple cameras. Their Sony IMX766 main with OI super wide and a 2-megapixel filler, so overall this design looks nice and unique for sure. The highlight of this device is Mediatek Dimensity 8100 Max Silicon, which is not only powerful than non-Max but also powerful than Snapdragon 870 in terms of benchmark. OnePlus Ace using the max-out DDR5 RAM UFS 3.1. And the icing on cake, this device contains largest heat dissipation system in any OnePlus, so this combination with Color OS 12.1/ Oxygen OS is gonna work like charm. The OnePlus Ace comes in a single 150 watts variant with 4500 mAh battery here. Specifications. And I like how OnePlus is not holding back in this one here. Missing alert slider came as a shocker, but overall this is a nice device.